There is no real easy way anyway. So stop fucking chasing it. Stop looking for it. You should welcome the hard shit. You should welcome the struggle. You should welcome the anxiety and the pain. Nobody has passion for what they do every fucking day. We all go through phases. We all go through ups and downs. We all go through fucking ebbs and flows. I show up and I do what the fuck I'm supposed to do regardless. There is no easy way. And if there is an easy way, and if you do make it quick, you are doomed to lose it just as fast. Just like in the weight room, without resistance, you can't grow. You know, your muscles are not gonna grow without weight resistance. Your mental fortitude and strength and ability and skills are not gonna grow without resistance. Let me tell you something. You know how you get in good shape? You don't worry about how many reps the other motherfucker in the gym is doing. You worry about how many reps you're fucking doing. I don't care what anybody else is doing. It doesn't matter. They can't stop you from doing what you're doing. When you spend your energy focusing on what other people are doing instead of executing on your own opportunities, you are setting yourself up to fucking fail time and time and time again. The people who worry about other people always lose. You guys have to get to the point where you're not giving yourself a choice. It is, I am going to fucking succeed no matter what I have to do, no matter how hard it is, no matter how difficult the road, no matter how many obstacles stand in my way, no matter how many people stand in my way, no matter what. On the days I don't feel like it, guess what? I'm still getting up, I'm still putting my fucking work boots on, and I'm still going out and kicking fucking ass. It takes every fucking bit of your focus, every bit of your energy, every single bit of your fucking soul. It's not about what people say, it's about what people fucking do. I challenge you guys. I challenge you guys to quit being pussies and whiny little crybabies. Get stronger, get more focused, and kick more ass.